This Diamond Window Origami Box is great for simple storage or gifts. I like that the opening itself is aesthetic and you don't have to make a lid. All you need is one square piece of paper. In this video, I'm using origami paper so that the creases show better, but you can use any size or type of square paper. Let's start by folding the paper in half both ways. Next, we'll make some creases for each corner that will serve as guides for actual folds. The first one is to fold down the top to the middle. Then fold the bottom up to that crease that we just made. Match the top edge so that it sits right on top of the triangle's edge. When you open it up, you should have creases that look like this. Now repeat 2 more times. After the last corner, you should have creases that look like this. Now I'm going to fold up each bottom corner so that its edge matches this crease that we folded earlier as a guide. After folding each corner, your paper should look like this. Now take one of these triangle flaps and fold it over this crease. Now fold the bottom flap up so that it creates a line between the corner that we just made and the corner next to it. Unfold and repeat for all the corners. The purpose of this folding and unfolding is to make guides for our walls. Now look closely for these 2 lines. Our goal is to merge them together with an inverse fold. This will form the edges and walls of our box. Repeat this step for each corner. Tuck the thing that's protruding and stick it under its corresponding flap. The final step is to fold down the tops. Tuck in the edges as you go around. You can leave it plain or decorate it. Here I'm using a gift bow as a lid. Another decoration is to roll up some tissue paper and just stick it inside. Thanks so much for watching, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you tried it, leave a comment and let me know how it went.